situation, that can you please suggest ways to encourage children who are grown-ups and have abandoned Qur'an to start reciting again?
Well, it's two questions, same thing, yeah?
It's already answered, so I just passed it on.
Right, okay. So basically, the children, it's easier to teach them than the one who becomes an adult. So you can't come to a teenager now, 16 or 15, and you start straight away, you make them love the Qur'an. There has to be a start from the beginning, okay? Then the child will find himself lingering to the Qur'an. You don't have to tell him. He's just there reciting all the time. So the best way for the children is, I believe as well in the night stories. You know, just before they go to sleep, give them a story, night story. They will remember it. Story of the Ukhdud, for example, Ashabul Fil. Okay, all of those stories, they like it. Give them a story from the companions, from the Prophet ﷺ, a battle. Okay, that would be good, inshallah. That would be helpful to them, and that would love them to say, wow, how these people be doing these things. The Quran made them to do that. The Deen, Islam made them, Sunnah, the Prophet made them. Then they will be encouraged. Now.